You copy something, then copy something else. And the first thing is gone. That's because macOS only keeps one item in the clipboard at a time. Unlike Windows, there's no built-in clipboard history. But there are a few ways to fix that, and I'll show you the best free option and the best premium option. Let's start with Apple's built-in option. The closest thing Apple provides is Universal Clipboard. It doesn't give you clipboard history, but it does let you copy on one Apple device and paste on another. For example, you can copy a link on your iPhone and paste it directly onto your Mac. Make sure both devices are signed in with the same Apple account. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. On your Mac, go to System Settings, General, AirDrop, and Handoff, and enable Handoff. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, General, AirPlay, and Handoff, and enable Handoff as well. Now, whenever you copy something on one device, it's temporarily available on your other Apple devices too. It's useful, but it still doesn't solve the clipboard history problem. For that, you'll need a clipboard manager. For most people, I recommend Maccy. It's lightweight, open source, completely free on GitHub, and feels like something Apple could have built into macOS. To install it, open GitHub and search for Maccy. Open the official repository, click Releases on the right side, and download the latest maccy.app.zip file. Once it's downloaded, unzip it and drag Maccy into your Applications folder. The first time you open it, macOS may display a security warning. If that happens, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll down, and click Open Anyway. Once Maccy is running, you'll see its icon in the menu bar. Press Shift plus Command plus C to open your clipboard history. You can immediately start typing to search through everything you've copied. Use the arrow keys to move through your history and press Enter to copy an item back to your clipboard. If you want Maccy to copy and paste instantly, press Option plus Enter. You can also pin frequently used items, so they always stay at the top of your history. That's great for email templates, addresses, code snippets, or anything you paste regularly. And if your clipboard starts getting cluttered, you can clear the history at any time directly from the menu. For most Mac users, Maccy is all you'll ever need. Maccy is fast, simple, and free. But if you spend all day copying text, images, links, files, or code snippets, and want a more polished experience with syncing and organization tools, take a look at Paste. Another popular option is Paste. You can download it directly from the App Store. And there's a free version available, so you can try the basic features before deciding whether you need the premium plan. Once Paste is running, you don't really have to think about it. Just keep copying normally. Text, links, images, screenshots, files, whatever, and Paste automatically saves everything to its own clipboard history in the background. Now, let's see it in action. Copy a few different items. Then press Shift plus Command plus V Paste opens at the bottom of the screen and shows your complete clipboard history. You'll see everything you've copied arranged in a visual timeline, making it much easier to find older clipboard items than scrolling through a simple list. From here, you can click any item to copy it again instantly. You can also search through your clipboard history using the search bar at the top, which becomes incredibly useful once you've accumulated hundreds of copied items. If there's something you use regularly, like an email template, address, support response, or code snippet, you can pin it so it stays available permanently instead of getting buried in your history. Right-clicking an item gives you even more options, including deleting items you no longer need, sharing clipboard content, moving items into collections, and organizing frequently used snippets. Another feature many people like is collections. Think of these as folders for your clipboard. You can create separate collections for work, personal projects, social media captions, code snippets, or anything else you frequently reuse. And if you use multiple Apple devices, Paste can sync your clipboard history through iCloud, so copied items are available across your Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Paste feels less like a clipboard manager and more like a personal library of everything you've copied. For most people, Maccy is the better free option. But if you copy and reuse content throughout the day, Paste's visual history, collections, search, and syncing features can make it a serious productivity upgrade. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Mac tips.